And in Goa, after the closure of mines, the state is losing nothing less than 5,500 to 6,000 crores every year. So I am only requesting this government to open their eyes and do something. The government at the center is yours. Ask for their help to bring better employment in this state. All the industries in Goa, many of them are under the brink of closure, including Zuari Agro Chemicals. I would request Goa government to take up the matter with maybe the central government, come to their rescue with the environment ministry, give a clearance to Mhadei in Karnataka. Our Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant, is pleading ignorance. We want all these to be transparent. Think of Goan farmers and compensate every farmer